Hey guys, and welcome to another video on Minimal Nerd. Today, I want to talk to you about one of the best PDF editors on Mac, Tenorshare PDNob. This is one of the best tools that I found that can do a lot of amazing things that other free tools and even paid tools cannot even match. Watch the video. Well, if you work with PDFs on a Mac, you probably know the struggle, right? Sometimes you just want to quickly edit the text, convert a file, or maybe fix a scanned document without having to open a heavy app or paying for a monthly subscription. And I actually tested quite a few PDF editors on my MacBook, and many felt either overkill or just slow for daily use. And that's why today I want to show you Tenorshare PDNob, a lightweight PDF editor that actually feels practical. So as you can see here, PDNob has a very clean and simple UI. I actually love the style of this UI. It's very easy to find whatever you want to do. So here we have the home area, comment area, edit, convert, page, protect, form, and tools. As you can see, everything you need is right there for you. You don't have to go through some crazy menus just to find whatever you're looking for. And PDNob is a cross-platform PDF editor that works on both macOS and Windows. It's designed to handle everyday PDF tasks smoothly, and also editing, doing OCR, converting, organizing files without slowing your system. And I've been trying it for a while now, and it's amazing. It's running super fast on my MacBook and also on my Mac. What I personally like is that it feels very simple, but it's still very powerful enough for all kind of professional work. And like I said, if you want to edit any PDF, it's very simple. You just go to the PDF you want, you double click anywhere, and you're about to edit. So here, for example, if I want to edit all the text here, I can just click on Edit All, and that's it. I'm already in the editing mode. So I can change the contest to, let's say, Meetup. All right. That's not correct. Meetup. And of course, I can change the font. So here you can see the font is Montserrat, so I can maybe make it Arial. I can change the font size. I mean, I can do whatever I want as a real text editor for this PDF. So if you have some PDFs that are really hard to edit, this is the best tool for that. And of course, I can add some stuff to this PDF, like I can add some stickers, as you can see here. Maybe this one I can just put here, right there. That's it. Yeah, I can highlight parts. I can add images. It's really one of those tools that are very easy to use when it comes to editing PDFs, and it's also very fast. So it's very useful for reports. If you have contracts, branded documents, this will be perfect for that. So I love this feature a lot. Okay, the next feature that I want to talk about is OCR, which is one of my favorite features of the Tenorshare PDNob. So if you're dealing with scanned documents, books, notes, old paperwork, PDNob can convert them into fully searchable and editable text. And I will show you here how it works. So you just click here on Perform OCR. It's actually very smart. It already knows that this document is a OCR ready document, so it's a scanned PDF. And then we can just perform the OCR with one click. Go here, and then let's start. And it's very fast. It works also offline, so it supports multiple languages. It can keep the original layout very well, surprisingly. This saves a lot of time when you need to copy, edit, or translate content from the scanned document. So as you can see, here we are. We have the scanned document. This is actually my in-body test, which is a very complicated document with a lot of different layouts, different fonts, different styles, and a lot of text. So let's zoom in a little bit here. You can see I can just go here and change the weight. You can go here, maybe targeted weight, for example. It doesn't make sense, but I mean, we're just trying here. You can change the numbers. So let's say that my target weight is 90 kgs. Okay, I can do that. Okay, so let's go back to 100. Yes. You can edit anything you can see here, like all the text is well organized for you to edit. And what I like about it is that it's very fast and it can actually work offline. So, okay, let's talk now about converting PDFs. You can actually convert PDFs to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or even images. And you can create PDFs from other file formats. So The important part is that the layout stays intact, which isn't. The important part is that the layout can stay very intact, which is not the case with other free tools. I tested this with tables and formatted text, and it always stays the same. So here I'm going to show you this example of, let's convert this one to, let's say, an image, because I want to share it with a friend, and it's easy for me to share with him an image instead of a PDF. So let's go convert. It doesn't take that much. It's actually really, really fast. You see, it's already done. You can go here and check it out. Yeah, you can see the layout is exactly the same. Everything is right there. It's perfect. It's really, really fast. And organizing PDFs is very straightforward. You can merge multiple files, split a large document, extract pages, or rearrange everything with just drag and drop. It's very useful when dealing with reports, contracts, or maybe combining multiple files in one clean document. So actually for this document of the Vietnam creators community, I want to merge it with the agenda we saw here for the event. So basically I can just come here, merge the document, add the other file, and now I can just merge the two. So click on merge, and as you can see, I have the document at the end of the other one. So that's perfect. It was done in less than 1 second. It's super fast. So that's super cool. There are also built-in AI tools that can summarize, translate, or rephrase text directly from the PDF editors. This is handy when you are reviewing long documents, reports, or content, maybe in another language. It's not really meant to replace full AI tools, but for quick understanding, it works really well. So here I have the same agenda document. I can just come here, click on Start, and of course you can choose whether ChatGPT 4 is the one that's going to do the analyzing or DeepSeek. So let's go with ChatGPT 4. It will analyze the document, and then you have all the details about this document. You can even ask some questions about this main topic, and then the AI will try to analyze and answer based on what's in the document. You can also protect your PDFs with password to restrict editing, copying, or printing. And more importantly, there are no watermarks, ever. Your exported documents, they stay clean and professional, and performance-wise, it's lightweight, stable, and doesn't really feel heavy on macOS. So you can just click, encrypt, choose your password, and that's it, save, and it will be done super fast. And one thing I really like about PDNob is that it uses one-time lifetime license instead of using subscriptions, which I personally really prefer. It supports multiple devices, works across Mac and Windows. If you're looking for a practical alternative to Adobe Acrobat, especially for daily PDF work, this is a solid option, and I highly recommend it. So I have added the download link in the description below if you want to try it yourself. If you work with PDFs regularly on a Mac, this is definitely worth checking out. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.